Guys, I bring you guys good news. So I am going to be sharing with you guys latest factory jobs with visa sponsorship. I know some of you be like, this factory job, warehouse jobs are for men. Look, what a man can do, a woman can do better. So if you feel you are strong enough, sometimes these jobs are not very difficult. I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, if you feel like this job is something you can do, then watch this video from beginning to the end because I'm going to share with you guys factory job, warehouse jobs in the UK with visa sponsorship. I am going to write the names of the company, their postcode on the screen. Now, the reason why I'm not going to leave a link on the description below is because sometimes when they get too many applications, they'll be like, please, can you bring down this post? We've gotten too many applications. Or they'll tell you, we did not ask you to advertise for us when they get too many applications. So that is why I'm not going to leave the link. So I'll advise you to watch this video, copy the names I list on the screen, paste it on your Google, and you see all that you need to know about this job. So if this sounds like what you're going to be interested in, then sit tight, watch from the beginning to the end. I believe it's going to help someone. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. So on this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. Like I tattooed factory jobs, warehouse jobs in the UK with visa sponsorship. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys latest job vacancies with visa sponsorship for those of you interested to apply for these jobs here in the UK. So if you're in the UK, you agree with me that warehouse job, there's so many things involved in a warehouse job. So now, if you're working in a warehouse, there's some people that do picking, there's some people that do packing, there's some persons that drive the, I don't know what to call it. I don't want to say, I think it's called waist lifter or pallet lifter. I don't know the exact name. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't even know what to call it. I am sorry, like I am not perfect. I can't remember the name. So those people that used to pick the pallet and fix in the shelf, they always want people that have experience in that field. So now in a warehouse, the picking, packing, all of that is something you can learn. But we all know that drive that lifter, they always want people and they sponsor you guys. Yes, they sponsor people. Now it does not matter if you're a man, woman, you just don't matter in as far as you know how to drive that. So at least in that aspect, I'll be like, okay, you need to have experience to know how to drive that one. But in general, warehouse job, they can teach you and you learn. You understand? You learn on the job. It's just few trainings you need, then you learn. But there's some field that you definitely need experience. Even on Amazon, if you check Amazon also recruits and sponsor visa. You can also consider checking Amazon. Like before we talk about this companies currently recruiting with visa sponsorship, I'm just trying to let you guys know that Amazon also sponsors. So if you're looking for a warehouse job with visa sponsorship, check out Amazon, they sponsor. So now let's talk about today's video. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about this factory work with visa sponsorship here in the UK. So like I said, guys, factory jobs with visa sponsorship. So factory workers are those people who make your favorite products. They are responsible taking raw materials and turning them into finished goods that you can buy at the store or online. So here in the UK, we've got so many factories. And what I notice, me personally, is that sometimes this factory, they build them in isolated areas, like, like places where there are not so many houses. I don't know, maybe because of the noise, because there's so many machines and all of that. That's what I feel. I think that is why they like to build them in kind of isolated place. So if you're looking for job with visa sponsorship, they are always looking for people who are willing to stay there, in that area, because you will not see much people in places like that. So they are always looking to recruit people who are good with that. And I notice that people are scared of working in such field because they feel like it's a bit risky. And that is why I said this job is not just for men. Anybody can do it. Like if you're a lady, if you're a woman, and you feel you can do this job, why not go for it? So factory workers may be involved in any number of different tasks, from operating heavy machines to assembly parts to packaging up finished product for shipment. Their work is physically demanding and often dangerous. So like I said, you need to be strong, honestly speaking. And it's a bit dangerous in terms like you have to, like, there's loads to carry, there's some boxes to unbox, there are some things to fix. And that is why I said, if you know how to drive that truck, be weight lifter, they always look for them. I don't know what to call that, to be honest. I don't really know the exact name. Honestly, they're always looking for people who know how to drive that. So you can check this people out I'm going to list in today's video. You can check them out, and they mostly follow strict safety protocol to avoid injuries on this job. So they always do what is called induction. So on the induction day or induction period, they teach you all that you need to know about this job, the safety measure you should take, all that you need to know, because I mean there are so many things involved. You see so many machines, although it depends on the factory or warehouse you're working. So now let me share with you guys the duty of a factory workers. So factory workers have a wide range of responsibilities, which includes operating machine to assembly products such as furniture or car parts. So it depends on where you're working, like I said. So performing maintenance tasks such as cleaning machine or equipment to ensure the continual operation of the factory. So that is why in a warehouse or in any factory, they don't take cleaning their machine or equipment easily. Like they take them very serious, because whenever any machine or equipment is affected, it sometimes affect the job itself. It make everything slow and it affect the job load. So now another duty for a factory worker is reading blueprints and other technical drawing to ensure that the products are assembled correctly, exchanging parts between machine or repairing machine when they are broke down, following safety regulations and procedures to minimize risks of injuries to self and others, inspecting incoming materials to ensure that they meet quality and standard before they are used in the production, operating computerized machineries to cut materials such as metal and plastic into desired shapes, assembly products using hand tools and power tools such as drills and saws. So these are the duties for factory workers. So Reed Talent Solution is currently recruiting factory process workers. So these are chemical manufacturers who ship their product all over the world, and due to ongoing growth and expansion opportunities, they are family-run business operating for over 50 years. This company are now looking to bring goods in and out. So if you can do this job, you need to check them out. So like I said, is RG301DZ. So they are looking for factory processor workers. So you can see what it looks like on the government website. It was posted 19th of May and is going to close 18th of June. So if you're watching this video, please, after the 18th of June, just know that this post is going to be either take down or they will stop collecting applications. So as I'm talking, I'm going to be leaving some of their dates on the screen so that you guys will see it. So please, after the 18th of June, just know that you can't get access to this job or you cannot submit any application. So another company that is currently recruiting factory process worker is Oskim Limited. They pay £13 per hour. So this company is a leading chemical manufacturing based in the UK. So you should check out this company. They're also recruiting. You can see the name on the screen. They pay £13 per hour. So another company that is recruiting a production operative is Ambitious Personnel. Is in LN5 7WD. So they pay between £10.75 to £16.13 per hour. So are you looking to work from Monday to Friday and you do not have to work weekends? Yes, they are currently recruiting. Ambitious Personnel are recruiting packing operatives to pick dry products in a busy production area. You will have to require to check the quality of the product and adhere to health and safety. So if this sounds like what you're going to be interested in, like I said, you should go and check them out. And another ambitious personnel that is currently recruiting is in CO16. The pay rate is £10.42 to £10.72 per hour. So this work is for you to start 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. And guess what? With this particular one, you do not even require experience. All you need is the willingness to learn and ready to work. So you don't even need experience for this particular one. They will teach you, like I said, induction is where they teach you everything about this job. So the next one is recruit for staff. This particular one, the pay is £11 to £16 per hour. It's a metal fisher. So if you're looking for a job with visa sponsorship in a factory, check out recruit for staff. They are also recruiting, they are representing their clients, so you need to check them out. And I have told you how much they pay per hour. So the next one is production assembly operative. So this particular one is in York and the pay is £11.49 per hour. Like I said, you can see their name on the screen. Honestly, the reason why I don't want to put all of this on the description below, why is because sometimes when they get too much application, I don't know how they do it, but they track where the application is coming and they email you, please can you bring this down, we've gotten so much application. So that is why sometimes when I make this video, I don't even like to put link. I don't know how they do it, because I could remember when I was posting care job with visa sponsorship, we used to get such emails. Some person might not come out to tell you, but yeah, they used to send a direct email and be like, please can you bring out this post, can you bring out this link, we've gotten enough application, it's just too much, it's overwhelming and all of that. So that is why I decided to put it on the screen for you guys to type it on your Google. Trust me, the more you type in on your Google, the more you get more job with sponsorship coming your way. You just see notification on your Google job with sponsorship because they feel that is what you type most. So most of the time it helps. So type this on your Google and thank me later. Well, the next one is a production operative with Staffling, and the postcode is TR151SS, and the pay is £10.42 per hour. So they are currently recruiting production operative to work for their clients. So if you're interested in this job, check them out. So another one is Commercial Panel and Pressing Limited. They are also currently recruiting. So if you're looking for factory jobs, check them out. Like I said, type it on your Google. You can see the name on the screen. So the last one we've got, Factory Production Operative, is from Ambition Personnel. The postcode is NG224 1XG. So the pay rate is £11.04 to £16.48 per hour. So they are also recruiting factory production operatives. So if you're interested, like I said, check them out. It might work out for you. So yes, that is it for today's video. If you find this video informative and interesting, do not forget to do the needful, like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell again to get notified whenever I post any new video. And do not forget to leave me a comment what kind of video you would like me to make. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.